This topic, this traffic monitoring concept, I can show you on Thursday. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's
So
fine.
now we have Cisco FTD and Palo Alto Firewall.
Yeah.
So you can decide. We can start with Palo Alto. Let's start with Palo Alto first.
Yeah. I prefer that one as well.
Okay. Okay. So now we can focus on Palo Alto Firewall training. And now our timing is fixed, Jason, because now I
Okay.
have a batch 11:30 to 1 p.m.
Okay.
Now I have batch. So this timing is now fixed. Okay. We can
Okay.
connect
Yeah.
at 1 p.m. Okay, dear?
Okay. Yeah. That's fine.
Okay. So let's start. Wait. So today we'll focus on topic discussion first in our Palo Alto Firewall training. Topic discussion. Wait. Okay. So we have total 16 module. Like other firewall device, Jason, this Palo Alto will take minimum 24 to 28 hour. Same. Okay. This will take 24 to 28 hour to finish this training.
Okay.
And the total modules we have, module number 1 to module number 16. The target audience for this Palo Alto firewall training, target audience is security engineers, security administrators, security operation specialist, okay, security analyst, and network engineer. So they are the target audience. And what is the requirement? What is the requirement to start this training? You need to know you need to have basic idea about routing concept, switching concept, and IP addressing. If you have basic idea about any security terms, security technology, like what is IPS, proxy, content filtering, so that is good. Otherwise, no problem. We can discuss these options in content ID. Here we can discuss. Okay, today I will share slides and
Okay.
notes regarding this Palo Alto firewall training and lab setup software. Do you have Palo Alto image, Jason? Do you have Palo Alto firewall image?
Sorry. Sorry. I was on mute.
Okay, no
No,
problem.
I don't.
Okay, so I will share today. Okay,
Yeah.
I will share Palo Alto image and
Mhm.
Palo Alto slides and notes.
Okay.
So let's talk about topic discussion today. The first topic is next generation security platform and architecture. So here we can focus about a product family first. Product family like physical firewall series and VM firewall series, and which firewall is suitable for my organization, because we have multiple series and series start with PA200. Palo Alto
Okay.
firewall series start with PA200. So we can
Okay.
focus on physical devices and VM firewall devices. What is default setting is available in Palo Alto firewall, and what
Yeah.
is SP3 architecture? This is interesting and important topic.
Yeah.
SP3 architecture. So
Mm-hmm.
Palo Alto introduce and it's using SP3 architecture to forward traffic. To forward traffic.
Okay.
This is called
Mm.
SP3, single path parallel processing. Now every vendor is using this concept, SP3 architecture.
Okay.
So what is SP3 architecture? We'll discuss in detail. We'll discuss what is control plane concept in Palo Alto, what is
Yeah.
data plane concept.
Mm-hmm.
Now, after that, we can go for deployment, how to deploy in virtual or in cloud scenario.
Yeah.
Then we can focus on initial configuration. What is initial configuration? Day one on
Mm-hmm.
Palo Alto firewall. Day one on
Okay.
Palo Alto firewall.
Mm-hmm.
How to access Palo Alto firewall with CLI, how to access with graphical
Okay.
page, how to
Mm-hmm.
go with backup and restore, how to download, how to update our PanOS version. PanOS version, how to
Okay.
create RBAC, multiple firewall administrator. So multiple options we have in our initial configuration. Only this topic will take minimum 2 to 3 hours. Only
Okay.
this initial configuration.
Mm-hmm.
After that, we'll focus on interface configuration. And here story is different, totally different, Jason.
Okay.
If you compare with Checkpoint and Fortinet, story is
Mm-hmm.
different about interface configuration. Yes, we can create physical interfaces. Okay, we can configure our physical interfaces. We can configure our logical interfaces. Yes, options are
Okay.
available. You can configure.
Mm-hmm.
But in
Okay.
case if you are trying to configure any interface in Palo Alto firewall scenario,
Mm-hmm.
you need to define Palo Alto interface type first.
Okay.
Interface type. And
Mm-hmm.
Jason, you cannot use your complete box as a layer 2 firewall. Fortinet,
Okay.
if you remember Fortinet, in
Mm-hmm.
Fortinet, we can use our complete box as a layer 2 firewall device, right?
Yeah, yeah, I remember.
Complete box. But in
Mm-hmm.
Palo Alto, no. You cannot
Okay.
use your complete appliance as a layer 2 firewall device. No.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now
Okay.
here in interface type, let's focus on here. Interface type. So in interface type, we have multiple options. First, we can discuss L3 interface type, then L2 interface. So if you are configuring any interface, you
Yeah.
need to decide first interface type, L3,
Mm-hmm.
L2, or tap interface,
Yeah.
or HA interface, or virtual wire interface.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what are the scenario for these interface type? These
Okay.
interface type we'll discuss. Okay, we'll discuss in detail. L2,
Mm-hmm.
L3, tap, HA, virtual wire.
Yeah.
And yes, you can configure or you can create logical interfaces like loop,
Mm-hmm.
like sub interface you can create, tunnel interface you can create, VLAN interface you can create. So interface
Okay.
configuration option we can configure here, Jason.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And you can see routing option is not available after interface configuration.
Yeah.
You can directly move for security policy and NAT policy, right? So
Okay.
routing concept is not mentioned here,
Mm-hmm.
but we'll discuss routing concept in interface configuration. So here we can discuss routing.
Okay. Yeah.
Here we can discuss routing, static routing configuration, default and dynamic option.
Mm-hmm.
Clear now? So only this interface configuration will take 2 or 3 hours.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, after that, we'll focus on module number 5. And in module number 5, we'll focus on security policy. Security policy. And we
Yeah.
can focus on NAT policy. So NAT
Mm-hmm.
policy, remember our source NAT implementation and destination NAT implementation?
Yes, I remember.
Yes, you can configure in Palo Alto firewall scenario. So
Mm-hmm.
NAT story is same. Here we can discuss how to implement source and destination NAT and to
Mm-hmm.
allow your traffic. See, Palo Alto, Palo Alto firewall,
Yeah.
checkpoint firewall device, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
Cisco FTD.
Yeah.
These are called JBF firewall device. These are called JBF firewall device. JBF.
Okay.
JBF means what? Zone based firewall. If you
Mm-hmm.
are working with any zone based firewall, so you
Yeah.
can create zone here. For example, I have Palo Alto firewall. This is
Mm-hmm.
LAN zone and this is WAN zone.
Yeah.
If you remember Fortinet firewall training, in Fortinet firewall training, you can define in policy configuration, you can define your incoming interface and your outgoing interface, right?
Mm-hmm.
But in Palo Alto, you can define your source zone and destination zone. to allow your traffic from one zone to another zone, you can create security policy.
Okay.
So how to create multiple security policy, how to edit, okay, delete, modify, okay, what is policy order, what is policy
Mm-hmm.
order in NAT policy, we'll discuss in detail. So this module number 5 will take minimum 5 hours
Okay.
for security and NAT policy implementation. Now,
Mm-hmm.
these are these are called next generation firewall feature: app ID, content
Mm-hmm.
ID, URL filtering, decryption. Remember HTTPS inspection topic in
Yeah.
checkpoint firewall?
Yes, yes, I remember.
It's the same. It's the same. In Palo
Mm-hmm.
Alto, you can say decryption policy.
Mm-hmm.
In Palo Alto, you can say decryption policy. Remember our
Yeah.
application control discussion in checkpoint in Fortinet?
Yeah, I remember.
Yes, you can configure in Palo Alto also. It's called app ID, application identification.
Mm-hmm.
And if you remember security profiles configuration, security profile in Fortinet, these options are related with security profile.
Mm-hmm.
These options are related with security profile. But now you can compare, Jason. If you
Okay.
compare with other firewall devices, so you can
Mm-hmm.
get what? You can get Palo Alto is on top.
Okay. Yeah,
Why
yeah.
Palo Alto is on top? Because we have some extra feature other
Mm-hmm.
vendor cannot provide you. For example, here we can create antivirus profile. It's a common, right?
Okay, yes.
Antivirus profile, it's a common, right? Remember, we can configure
Yeah.
in Fortinet also.
Yeah.
Okay, URL filtering,
Mm-hmm.
yes, we can configure in checkpoint. We can configure in Fortinet. In checkpoint, in Fortinet we can say web filtering. In
Mm-hmm.
Fortinet we can say web filtering. In checkpoint, you can add your URL information, URL category information.
Yeah.
So it's a common concept. Now, file
Mm-hmm.
filter, file policy. Here we
Yeah.
have file policy, a file filter. Here we have filter, file filter.
Yeah.
In checkpoint, you can say file policy. In Fortinet, you can say file filter profile. Here it's called file blocking policy, file blocking. In Palo Alto, you can say file blocking profile.
Mm-hmm.
In file blocking or in file policy, we can work with file type, file extension. These are the common concept. But in Palo
Okay.
Alto, you can get two other information. It's called anti spyware profile and
Mm-hmm.
vulnerabilities protection profile. Vulnerabilities protection profile. These options are not available in Fortinet and in Checkpoint. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear now? So these options are called security profile, content ID, and it means module number 7 and module number 8. These topics are related with security profile concept. Clear now?
Yeah, yeah. That's
Now,
fine.
module number 9, this is also a next generation firewall feature,
Mm-hmm.
decryption policy.
Yeah.
And why we need decryption policy? Remember,
Mm-hmm.
if inside machine is initiating his traffic, is trying to access outside server. If
Mm-hmm.
this complete connection, if this complete connection is what?
Mm-hmm.
HTTPS connection, then your firewall cannot detect malicious information, right? Your firewall
Okay.
cannot detect. You have up-to-date
Mm-hmm.
signature. As per security policy, traffic is traveling.
Yeah.
But if this complete connection is HTTPS, your firewall cannot detect application, cannot detect malicious information, okay,
Yeah.
cannot detect malicious link. No. That's why
Yeah.
if you remember in checkpoint, we can create HTTPS inspection, right?
Okay, yes.
Same con. Here we have what? Decryption policy. So in Palo
Mm-hmm.
Alto firewall scenario, we can create decryption policy to decrypt our HTTPS connection.
Mm-hmm.
And your Palo Alto firewall can act as a certificate authority server for all LAN machine, all
Mm-hmm.
LAN computer.
Okay.
Okay. Now in Palo Alto, The next topic is wildfire. Wildfire concept. In Palo Alto, you can say wildfire. In Fortinet, you can say 40 sandbox. 40 sandbox.
Yeah.
Same concept we have. So wildfire to detect latest attack. Jason, to detect latest attack in your network, you need wildfire technology. And here we will discuss public wildfire cloud analysis system and private wildfire cloud analysis system. These topics we can discuss in wildfire. Clear now?
Yeah.
What is user ID? Remember identity awareness concept in checkpoint and firewall authentication in Fortinet? Same concept we have in Palo Alto. It's called user ID. In Palo Alto, you can say user ID concept. And in checkpoint, you can say identity awareness. In Fortinet, you can say firewall authentication. So same. Here we can discuss how to authenticate domain user and how to work with guest user, Jason. For full visibility, we are using user ID topic. So I will show you both options. Okay, like checkpoint, like Fortinet. Yes, I will prepare one Active Directory server, but integration is totally different, Jason. Integration is totally different and little complicated in Palo Alto. Checkpoint is simple, Fortinet simple, but if you compare with Palo Alto, you need to create a special user account for AD integration. We'll discuss. Clear now?
Yeah.
Now, these two topics, module number 12 and module number 13, these two topics are related with VPN concept. VPN, virtual private network. So we have two type of VPN implementation. What? IPsec and what? SSL.
SSL, yeah.
IPsec we are using for site-to-site VPN connectivity. And global protect is what? This is SSL VPN, or you can say remote access VPN implementation. Like if you remember in Fortinet training, we have 40 client application. 40 client is a VPN client application. Okay. In checkpoint firewall device, it's a mobile application. Without license, you cannot do this lab. Remember in Fortinet, we cannot do. In Fortinet, we only complete our web mode option, not tunnel mode. But option is, I will tell you the story, concept and configuration. Global Protect means what? This is Palo Alto VPN client software. Global Protect is a Palo Alto Firewall VPN client software. This is for remote access VPN implementation. And for remote access, yes, we'll discuss on SSL deployment. Now, monitoring. So this is same like in checkpoint, what we have? In checkpoint, we have traffic monitoring, right? In checkpoint, we have traffic monitoring, right? This concept.
Yes.
And in Fortinet, login and monitoring. So in Fortinet, we complete our login and monitoring, right? In checkpoint, we'll discuss traffic monitoring. Same concept we have in Palo Alto, monitoring and reporting. So for troubleshoot your network, you need proper logs. You need proper logs. And to store our logs, we have two options. To store our logs, we have two options. Either you can store your logs, in local database, or in case if you want to send your logs on remote logging server. So yes, you can send your logs on syslog server. Yes, we can discuss in Palo Alto firewall scenario and how to send logs on SNMP. So these are our topics. And we can verify all type of logs, traffic log, threat log, URL filtering logs. We'll discuss how to filter our logs. Clear now? This topic is important. Now, high availability. Remember in Fortinet firewall device, we can configure high availability. We can go with active passive mode. We can go with active mode, right?
Yes.
Active. In
Mm-hmm.
checkpoint firewall device, yes, we can go with active passive scenario.
Yeah.
We can, it's called clustering. In checkpoint, it's a clustering, right?
Mm-hmm.
Same
Yes.
concept we have high availability, active passive lab in Palo Alto. And there is
Mm-hmm.
a little difference. If you compare
Yeah.
high availability with other vendor,
Mm-hmm.
let me show you. If you remember our Fortinet or checkpoint, we need failover link, right? In between firewall box 1 and firewall box 2, we need failover link, right, Jason?
Yeah.
In Fortinet, we need single failover link.
Mm-hmm.
In checkpoint, we need single failover link. But in
Okay.
Palo Alto firewall, you need two separate link. It's a
Mm-hmm.
required. It's a required.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, in Palo Alto, this is called HA1.
Mm-hmm.
HA1, this is called control link. And
Mm-hmm.
second link is called HA2, this is called data link. Now, what
Mm-hmm.
is control link? What is data link? How to work with active passive scenario, high availability concept. What are the troubleshooting concept we have? So this topic will take 2 hours, a complete session. Yes,
Okay.
2 to 3 hours, only this topic.
Mm-hmm.
Module number 16, it's not a topic. This is for practice. So here I
Okay.
can I can I can share with you some dumps question. You can do
Mm-hmm.
your practice. Here
Okay.
now,
Yeah.
Jason.
Yeah. Yeah. That's clear.
So this is what our topic discussion today. We can
Mm-hmm.
start our first topic from tomorrow. Okay,
Yeah.
Jason.
Okay.
I'm sharing this recording. I hope you receive all checkpoint firewall session videos, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. I have received all of
Okay,
them.
so I'm creating a separate folder for Palo Alto
Mhm.
and I'm sharing
Okay.
this recording in 10 to 15 minutes. Jason,
Okay.
let's
That'll be great.
start our Palo Alto firewall topic number 1 from
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye,
That's
dear.
fine.
Take care, Jason.
Brilliant. Bye.
Bye. I'm sharing slides, Jason. I'm
Okay.
sharing Palo Alto slides and Palo Alto 10.0 image.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That'll be great.